Hey, so in this video I'm going to take you through how you can create standardized graphics. So for this instance we are creating images that we're going to use on Canvas VLE page so that you can use them to link to other areas of your Canvas site. And a common thing when doing this is you might find an image you really want to use, but the image isn't the same size as another image you want to use, and maybe you're not sure how to crop, edit those images, make them all a standard size, and maybe you even want to add text or a bit of colour or some icons to them. So by using PowerPoint, and now there is other graphical software out there you could use. The university has Adobe Fireworks, which is excellent if you want to create graphics for the web. But I'd recommend using PowerPoint as it's quite simple and it's a software that most of you will be familiar with. So here I've got a square button that I've put into a template. And to size that button, I actually came to slide size, which is on design. And you've got your standard 4:3 widescreen, but they're too big for the images that you want to create. So we select custom slide size. And I found a 9.4 by 9.4 is pretty good for a square image. For a maybe rectangular sized image, you might want to put a width of 12 or 13 by 9.4 or 9, 10, that sort of thing. You can have a little bit of a play to see what works with you. It's often the best thing to do with these things. But you can change your slide size if you need to there, and you can create duplicates of the slide by right clicking and selecting duplicate size slide. To create the text here, I've literally just inserted a text box and put in the name of the text, and I've also inserted a bar, so a shape with a box tool, and I've given that some colour. So I've made it green with the shape fill options. If you wish, you can add transparency to some of these. So if you've got an image that you want the bar to go over, you could decrease or increase the transparency for how much you'd like things to be, the image to show through. Once you've got your template set up like that, you can right click, duplicate slide, and that will create an additional one. You can then create multiple of these for all the images you need. You can then simply come along, remove the image by left clicking it, pressing delete on your keyboard, and then changing the text here if you wish. And then you can also do things like changing the font, the size of it, or even the font colour, for instance. So if you prefer it to be a different colour. And then to insert an image, you can come to Insert, Pictures, navigate your computer to find the image that you'd like to use. So for instance, if I select that one and insert, that inserts the image to the PowerPoint. Now, obviously you can see that the image doesn't fit. It's not tall enough on this occasion. But you'll find that the image that you included is much bigger quality-wise. So you can expand it by clicking on the corner edge to make it fit. If you find this distracting, because if you see here, that's how it will export. You can right-click on this image, click crop, and drag this bar in. And that allows you to crop the image just to the side of the PowerPoint like that. Once you've done this, you can then come to File, Save As, and I'd recommend you first of all saving the PowerPoint so that you've got that as a template. So save the .pptx file. Once you've done that, come back, Save As again, and under Save As Type, we want to select JPEG image. You could use Portable Network Graphic or a GIF if you wish, but I recommend JPEG for this. This will then, when you click Save, give the option of what you want to export. So you could just save that one single slide, or you can save all of them. Selecting all slides will create a folder in that location. And if you see here, I've got this folder that's been created. And you can see for each slide, there's an image that's been created. And so now you can actually go into your Canvas site, you can create a table or use divs to align the image onto your Canvas homepage or any pages, and then you can select the image to link to another page. More videos will be coming on this to break down some of the individual aspects, but hopefully this gives you an idea where to get started.